New York City is known for its fantastic food scenes, the wild nightlife and cruise, top-class shopping centers that every tourist or locals look forward to exploring and experiencing life to the fullest, but one of the realest things to look forward to and try is their nail salons. You should book yourself a manicure and pedicure appointment, and even body massage in the city's top nail art salons whenever you are in New York. If you need a relaxing spa experience while getting a pedicure, hot stone massages, lasting gel manicures with one-of-a-kind nail art, then say no more, as New York is the best place to make you feel like a queen. In this video, we bring you a list of the 7 best nail salons in New York that you should visit. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Number 1. Jinsoon. Jinsoon Hand and Foot Spa is one of the best nail salons in New York City, known for its elegance and simplicity with its rich Korean heritage, natural woods, airy lightening, and serene interior accents, incorporated with 4 luxury locations in Manhattan. If you are down for top-class nail artistry and pampering, then you should visit one of their locations or call to make an appointment or reservations. Check out their website at jinsoon.com to book an appointment. Number 2. Tenoverten. Tenoverten is known for their one-of-a-kind nail designs and great customer service. Free of traditional toxins that most nail polishes contain, you won't have to worry about harmful and unsafe ingredients. Tenoverten has several locations around the city. You can always rely on an A1 manicure here, as they promise satisfaction. Visit their website at tenoverten.com for more information. Number 3. Coco Nails. Coco Nails is known for its excellent hospitality, decent and comfortable environment, efficient artistry, and good customer service that gets better with each visit. Coco Nails offers services like callus removal, classic manicure and pedicure, gel fill-in, gel full set, gel nail removal, nail art removal, polish change, pink and white fill-in, and pink and white full set. If you want to explore their services, you can visit their website at coconailsart.business.site to make an appointment. Number 4. Chill House. Chill House is another mystery visit nail salon in New York. From its name, all you should be thinking of the chill vibes that they guarantee their potential customers. You get to enjoy the subtle comfort of Chill House with its recently introduced 10 new designs that you get to indulge in one of the brand's signature manicures over a delicious wine. It's essentially the most peaceful place, embellished with a cafe, massage, and most importantly, nail salon rooms. Visit them at 75 Varick Street, New York City, or check their website at chillhouse.com to book an appointment. Number 5. Akiko Nails. Akiko Nails is a rapidly growing nail salon in New York with artists that are trained in Japanese nail art techniques to create several custom designs of your choice. They have something new to fit every season, style, occasion, and even your everyday casual look, with the neon pink sign exhibiting all forms of coolness. If you are ready for a top-class experience, then you should visit their website at akikonailsnyc.com to book an appointment. Number 6. Spa Blue. Spa Blue is one of the ladies' favorite nail salons, as it has many good reviews, and customers seem to be well satisfied with their impeccable services such as polish change, acrylic nail removal, callus removal, classic pedicure and manicure, and so on. At Spa Blue, you can visit their address at 125 4th Avenue, New York, New York 10003, Union Square, Greenwich Village, East Village, or visit their website at www.spableweny.com to get started. Number 7. Mesa Nail Spa. Mesa Nail Spa is an amazing nail salon with a verified license. They offer numerous services like nails, eyelashes, waxing, body massages, classic manicure and pedicure, and lots more. With so many good reviews from customers, it is definitely one of the best nail salons in New York. To make an appointment, you can visit their website at micasanailnik.com or visit their salon at 145 East 27th Street, New York, New York 10016, Kips Bay, to book an appointment. There you have it. We hope this list was helpful. Share your experience with us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.